Hey there, professionals. Today, let's dive into something that can truly transform how you approach your work, situational awareness. Now, why does this matter? First up, enhanced decision making. With heightened situational awareness, you'll respond faster and more accurately to changing situations. This means fewer errors and more confidence in your actions. Next, let's talk about safety and security. Early detection of threats gives you a head start in mitigating risks. Plus, you'll become more aware of potential vulnerabilities, ensuring a safer environment for everyone. And then there's communication and collaboration. Sharing critical information and coordinating effectively with your team builds trust and understanding. It's a game changer for teamwork. So, how do you develop this superpower? Start with active observation. Pay close attention to your surroundings, use all your senses, and practice active listening. And don't forget cognitive training. Engage in mental exercises to sharpen your focus and problem-solving skills. Scenario-based training can help you simulate real-world situations and prepare for them. Now let's talk benefits. Increased productivity and efficiency are big ones. Make more informed decisions, waste less time, and handle complex situations like a pro. Plus, there's personal growth and empowerment. Boost your self-confidence, improve your communication skills, and navigate challenges with ease. So, there you have it, the power of situational awareness. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insightful content.